Today we're working on a Chamberlain clicker KLIK3C-SS universal garage door remote. This is a 2-button universal remote, commonly used to control 1 or 2 garage door openers. In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the battery and open the remote without damaging the case. First, slide the top cover down so it is not in the way. This gives you better access to the remote body while you're working on it. Now, flip the remote over and remove the visor clip from the back. Don't put the clip away just yet, because we're going to use it as a small tool to help open the remote. Look along the side of the remote and locate the small grooves in the plastic case. Place the edge of the visor clip into the groove, then use a gentle twist method to start separating the two halves of the remote. Once it starts to open, continue working along the edge. Take your time and keep moving around the case until the remote separates into 2 pieces. Try not to force one spot too hard because the plastic tabs can be tight. Once the remote is open, you'll see the battery inside. This remote uses a CR2032 coin cell battery. The battery may be sitting snug in the compartment, so you can use the visor clip to gently push the old battery out. After the old battery is removed, take your new CR2032 replacement battery and slide it back into the compartment. Make sure the battery is installed with the negative side facing down. Center the battery properly so it sits flat inside the holder and makes good contact. Now you can reassemble the remote. Line up both halves of the case and press them together until you hear the plastic click back into place. Once the case is closed, slide the top cover back into position. Then reinstall the visor clip on the back of the remote. Now test the remote by pressing the buttons. The buttons should light up and the remote should be ready to use. That's it! The battery replacement is complete on this Chamberlain clicker KLIK3C-SS universal remote. You can stick around to see the instructions that came with the remote. Pause the video at any point if you need extra time to read them. Thanks for watching!